Hi, and welcome to another lesson of the Excel for Absolute Beginners course. In this lesson, we are looking at how to move around in Excel, and we'll be taking a look at how to use a mouse, the scroll bar, the keyboard, and the go to command as well to move around in Excel. So let's switch to a sample spreadsheet that I've created. This is just dummy data I've input in here, and we are going to play around it a bit. When we say moving around in Excel, basically we are referring to how to get to where you want to get to. So right now there are some data hidden beneath this that are not visible to us. So what if I want to have access to those ones? And you realize that when this looks larger as compared to what we were working with initially, so this is what we were working with initially, and these cells look smaller as compared to this particular one. As you can see, the difference here is that this has been zoomed to 235%, whilst this was at 90%. So I've told you about the zoom controls. If you want to increase it, you can always increase it to your liking. So that is exactly what is happening here. And to move around, the first thing that you can use is the scroll bars. So there are scroll bars here that you can move. You can equally use the scroll bars to go up or down depending on what you want. You can go up with the scroll bars. In fact, you can click on the ends of the scroll bars just as I'm doing right now to move one row at a time or one column at a time. So for the columns, you move them using this one. So you can move it as such. Alright, the mouse as well. So if you are using a mouse, you can equally move down or up. So the mouse allows you to move down or up. And right now, that's what I'm doing with my mouse. I'm moving down or up. Okay, and the next thing that you can use to move around is some keys on your keyboard. So on the keyboard, there are a number of arrow keys. So we have arrow keys, that is the one pointing upward. So you use that to move up. And it depends on where your cell, the cell that was highlighted. So once this cell is highlighted, currently I'm pressing on the up key and pressing on the down key now. If I start to press on the left, it moves to the left, up again, go to the right. So we can use the arrow keys to do or move around. The other keys that we can use on the keyboard are the home key, the page up key, the page down key, and the end key. So those are also keys that we can use to move around. And you can also do a combination of the control key and any of these. So we can have control plus down key, we can have control plus up key, we can have control plus the arrow key, so the left key, control plus the right one. This can also be done, and you can also combine control. You can combine control with the page up and page down, the end and the home key as well, and that will help you navigate around in your Excel sheet area. The last way to move around is by using the go command. The go command basically allows you to go to a specific cell that you are looking for. So assuming you know that there is data in one cell that is hidden from your site. So let me type something here. This is cell D221. How do I know? Up here, the identity of the cell is always given up here, D221. So let me type my name in here, and now let's go out of sight. I hope you remember the number D221. So if I know exactly where that data I'm looking for is, which is cell D221, then I can use the go to command, and go to is F5. So press on F5, and it brings up this dialog box. It brings up this pop-up, and within this pop-up you just have to state the reference of the cell. So I said we can say a cell identity or cell reference, the reference of the cell that you want to go to. So I want to go to D221, then click OK, and it moves me to exactly D221 that I was looking for. So those are the ways that you can move around. You can use your mouse, you can use the scroll bars, you can use the keyboard, that's the arrow keys on the keyboard, you can use the page up, home, and page down keys. You can use a combination of the control key with any of the arrow keys, as well as the go to command, which you can bring up using F4. So these are the ways that you move around with Excel in Excel, and hopefully from now on you'll find it easy navigating around your sheet area in Excel. And I'll see you in the next lesson.